Storm Center 7 weather specialist Nick Dunn joins us. We're looking at, as folks get back to work, most folks, Tuesday into Wednesday, kind of differing models as to how much rain we could see.
Yeah, we talked a little bit at 6 o'clock how some of the trends have been for lighter totals, but I want to take it a step further and show you 3 different models and how they look in terms of the rainfall totals. You notice the graph model on the left, that's our in-house model, and as you can see, not much is expected from that. The NAM model, not a whole lot of rain there either, but then you look at the European model on the far right-hand side, and that one shows about 2/3 of an inch of rain, kind of giving you an inside look as to what we use to help us forecast rainfall. Now, in terms of which one of these is going to be right, it's hard to say, but I think something between the NAM and the European models seems most reasonable. But of course, as we get more new data in over the next 24 hours, we'll fine-tune that forecast for you. Give you a live look into Springfield late this evening. A generally clear sky starting to develop across parts of the Miami Valley. However, some of you, when you look up out there right now, you still find a good deal of cloud cover out there as well, but the roads are dry and temperatures cooling off quite nicely after we made up to 66 degrees in Dayton earlier this afternoon. We've dropped to 57 right now as we give you a live look on Doppler 7 radar. No rain around us right now, 50 in Wapakoneta. Oxford still hanging on to 61 degrees. Springfield checking in there at 55. I'll broaden out the view. That next system is still way off to our south. You notice a big complex of severe thunderstorms from Arkansas into Alabama tonight, with more severe weather northwest of Dallas, Texas. And it's this system back here into the Texas Panhandle. It's still very much in its organizational stage. It's going to take some time to really get going, but eventually we're going to see that moisture spread our way. But way on in advance of that, some cloud cover already streaming in late this evening. You notice we've had some clouds sticking around through much of today as well. Now, how about your Memorial Day? We're looking quite nice across the Miami Valley. We'll call it a mix of clouds and sunshine. Our typical high for this time of the year is 77 degrees, so we're a little bit below that tomorrow. Upper 60s, lower 70s, but hey, a great day to be outside out there, especially if you have any cookouts to get that unofficial start to summer going. Now, if you are spending a lot of time outdoors tomorrow, don't forget the sunscreen. Despite the fact that we'll have some clouds out there, the sun, those rays can still penetrate through those clouds and cause the sunburn in as little as 15 to 25 minutes. So don't forget a good hat and some sunscreen as you're spending some time outdoors. Temperature trend over the next 7 days. Again, our typical high 77, not quite there, at least for the next several days, but there is some signs as we get towards next weekend. Highs getting pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year. And of course, next Sunday starting June, a lot of you wanting some warmer temperatures, so hopefully that signal continues. Let's walk you through Futurecast. Tomorrow, again, we start with some sunshine, but cloud cover building in through the day, upper 60s and lower 70s. Not too shabby to get the holiday going, that is. We take you to Tuesday, cloud cover thickening up a bit. And this run of Futurecast tonight, you notice at 6 o'clock, it really wasn't that widespread with the rain. This run tonight showing a little bit better coverage of rain through Tuesday afternoon going into Tuesday night. And we'll probably have to carry at least a chance of some scattered showers as we get into Wednesday. Here's how it all comes together in the Storm Center 7-day forecast. 72 for Monday. We cool off a bit for Tuesday with the rain chances, but you notice we string those 70-degree days together. And James, I don't know about you, but I think we're kind of due for some warmer weather, so hopefully beyond next weekend things continue to pick it up a bit.
All right, we'll hold you to that, Nick. Thank you much.